I got a package from Shein. I figured I'd take a look at it. I've never used their service before. They're an app that you can buy stuff. So I thought, hey, might as well get some wigs. Come pretty nicely packaged. Got some wig caps. And I got these really cute pins. I'm really excited to take a look at those. Oh my goodness, look how adorable that is. It's little cats in a teacup. As well as some portal cats. Pretty cute if I don't say so myself. Only a couple bucks each. Let's take a look at the wigs. I think this one's pretty cute. I love the color green. And this is very Jessica Rabbit-ish. So I don't know, I like it. Might look cute. Also, kind of up in ponytails like Harleen Quinzel, who proves that you can still do that even into your 30s. Feels really good quality. One of the reasons I wanted to try Shein was I had a friend from work who she said that my wigs, not very good quality. I was using Epic Cosplay's wigs, and they were okay. I liked them. They were fun. They were kind of expensive, actually. They were in the 30-40 range, and this was much, I mean, not much, but it was cheaper. What do you think of this one? I like it. I like this one. I think it goes good with my current eyeshadow. What do you think? I like this one. This one, I wanted it to be close to my natural hair color. That way I could wear it casually out to the mall or to a restaurant. And it wouldn't be a big deal, you know? Not everything has to be green or red or really bright and eye-grabby. Thank you all so much for watching my video. What did you think of the wigs that I bought? Have you ever used Shein before? And do you get wigs for work or for play? Let me know in the comments below, and if you did enjoy this video, maybe ring the bell icon letting me know that you liked it, and possibly even subscribing. It means a lot to me. Once I get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to do something amazing. I don't know what yet, but it will be amazing. Anyways, until next time, take care.